This is how you adjust the text size as the screen size changes if anyone is just following along on a thread that was started on Twitter. So what I want to note is that what I want to know is that my page width is 1280. I have a hero section container. Then I actually have a background image placeholder. And then inside the background image, I actually have another container, and I haven't named this, but let's call this, let's see. Oh, I have named this. I called this header container, but let's call this header text container or title text container. And let's name this title text. So what I've done is created a container for my title, and I use this as giving it padding. What you can also see is this container is minimum width 50% of current 50% minimum width. What I want to know is that on my text is actually font 50. The font size is 50, but when you go to conditional, I have when the current page width is less than 765, change the font size to 40. So when we go to responsive and we just check out what this looks like, on larger screens, this is 50 font size, larger screen 50 font size, but when it drops below this, it reduces the size. So still looks great on mobile.